Hello friends, this is Manasvi from Soham Edu World, and students, welcome back to your online lecture series of class 9. Students, in today's lecture we will see the relation between union and intersection by one formula. How to represent the given set in number of elements form. So let's begin with the actual topic. Today's topic is very much simple to you students. So let's start. The number of elements in a set. Suppose there is a set A which contains 3, 6 and 9 as an elements. Okay. So how many elements are there totally in A? 1, 2, 3. 3 elements are there. So if let A is a set of 3, 6, 9 with 3 elements, then number of elements in set A is denoted as n of A. So when I say n of A means you have to write like this, n of A. How to write n? Round bracket A. Okay, n of A is the way of writing the elements. So how many numbers are there? Therefore n of A is equal to 3. 3 elements are present in set A. Are you getting me, class? Then let B is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6. How many elements are there in B? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. So how to write n of B? Number of elements in set B, that is 4. n of B means number of elements present in set B, 4. Okay. Which elements are there? ऐसा नहीं है. How many elements? Count. That count you have to write here. Here 3, here 4. So on this basis, you have one formula which shows the relationship between these sets. N of A union B, n of A intersection B. Now n of A union B means what and n of A intersection B means what? A यूनियन B का जो सेट हम लोग लिखेंगे उसमें कितने एलिमेंट्स है, दैट काउंट इज n ऑफ A यूनियन B. सेम फॉर n ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B. A इंटरसेक्शन B के सेट में कितने एलिमेंट्स है वो काउंट मतलब n ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B. आर यू गेटिंग मी, क्लास? सो वी विल टेक दीज टू सेट्स ओनली एंड आई विल राइट हियर n ऑफ A यूनियन B एंड n ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B. सो लेट्स do here. A, B. A में क्या है? 3, 6, 9 and B is a set of 1, 2, 4 and 6. So A union B क्या आएगा? A union B. A union B. You need to recall all these things. Union means what? Elements from set A as well as from set B. So write first 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is common, so write only one time, then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. So how many elements are there in A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n of A union B is how much? 6. Count कितना आया union का? 6. Same right for intersection. Intersection means what? Common elements in given sets. So what is common? 6, 6. So there is only one common element in A and B, that is 6. So count क्या है? n of A intersection B का 1. Only one element is there. Therefore n of A intersection B is equal to 1. Are you getting me, class? Now you have to verify this formula. What is the formula given? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. जो यूनियन का काउंट है वो कैसा है? काउंट ऑफ सेट A, काउंट ऑफ सेट B माइनस काउंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दोज टू सेट्स. ओके, इस फॉर्मूले का मीनिंग पहले समझ लो सो दैट वी कैन वेरीफाई इट. सो नाउ सी A यूनियन B कितना है 6 है, यस और नो. सो n ऑफ a कितना है यहाँ पे 3. सो आई विल राइट हियर n ऑफ a प्लस n ऑफ b इज माइनस n ऑफ a इंटरसेक्शन b. ये n ऑफ a यूनियन b के बराबर आता है या नहीं, दैट वी हैव टू वेरीफाई. सो लेट्स डू. n ऑफ a हाउ मच 3, n of b is 4 minus n of a intersection b is 1. So 4 plus 3, 7 minus 1 is 6. So here we are getting same number 6, yes or no. So 6 equal to 6. So formula is verified, yes or no. So are you getting me class? What this formula says, n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. And this n of means what? Count, or how many number of elements are present in that particular set. Are you getting me class? So by rearranging this formula, what I will get? n of a plus n of b is equal to, ये माइनस है वो यहाँ पे जाके क्या हो जाएगा प्लस. सो सिंपल, n of a plus n of b is equal to n of a union b plus n of a intersection b. Okay, are you getting me class? These two formulas are nothing but same, सिर्फ रीअरेंज करके लिखे हैं. समझ में आ गई बात? So we will take one example to verify it. Now here 2 examples I have taken. Okay, first is a is equal to 1 2 3 5 7 9 11 13. Now I have to verify this formula. So first write n of a. n of a, how many elements are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So n of a is 8. Then n of b, how many elements are present in set b? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Total 7. Then I have to write set for union first. So a union b का सेट कौन सा आएगा? दोनों के एलिमेंट्स. सो 1 2 and 1 2 is common in both. So don't repeat it. So 1 2, afterwards 3 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, 11, 12 and 13. 13 is also 2 times, yes or no? So you have to write it 1 time only. So how many elements are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So n of a union b क्या आया? n of a union b is 12. Okay, now a intersection b. So first write set of intersection. Symbol is, दोनों के symbol याद रखो. a intersection b means common elements. कॉमन क्या है? चलो क्रॉस मार्क करो. 1 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, कुछ नहीं है. 13 13. सो 1 2 13 are the elements which are common in both the sets. So how many numbers? 1 2 3. So n of a intersection b is 3. Yes or no? So सबके elements मिल गए. Number of elements n of a, n of b, n of a union b and n of a intersection b. Now you have to verify for this formula. So just verify it. See, n of a union b कितना है? 12. ये आता है या नहीं? इसको सपोज 1 बोलो. n of a प्लस n of b माइनस n of a intersection b. क्या मिल गया? n of a is 8, n of b is 7 minus n of a intersection b is 3. So 8 plus 7, 15 minus 3, 15 minus 3, which is equal to how much? 12. So write it as equation 2. So from 1 and 2 you can say that n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. It is clear to you, students? Okay. Now we will see second example. You have to write all these things in your notebook, okay? Let's see second example. Example is in Venn diagram format, okay? So you have to write it in first set format. A set क्या है? Right here. A में क्या क्या given है? 3, 9, 15, 12 and 6. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 is set A. Now set B, 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, 30. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Yes or no? So n of A is how much? N of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. N of B is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Yes or no? Now n of A union B. N of A union B के लिए first A union B you have to write. A union B क्या है? 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is common, so write it once, then 18, then 15, 18, 24, 30, 36. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So therefore n of A union B is equal to 9. Now n of A intersection B के लिए first write A intersection B common क्या है? 6, 6, 12, 12. बस that's it. So 6 and 12. Therefore n of A intersection B, how much? 2. Only 2 elements are there. Now verify. You can verify. N of A union B how much? 9. N of A 5. N of B 6 minus 2. आ रहा है 9 या नहीं? 6 plus 5 11 minus 2. That is 11 minus 2 9. So n of A union B also 9. So formula is verified. Is that clear to you? Now you can do it by seeing Venn diagram only. How? See, you have to just write number of elements. No need to write all these things. So you can simply count the elements by seeing this Venn diagram. How? Let's see. N of A means number of elements present in set. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So simply N of A is equal to 5. N of B. So what is N of B here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are present in set B. Yes or no? So you have to just count number of elements. So by seeing this diagram only you can verify the formula very easily. Then you have to find number of A union B. A union B means what? All these sets. Yes or no? Combination of set A and set B means all the elements from set A and set B. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No need to count twice. Okay? Because that is the rule of set. You have to write the repeated element only one time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many elements are there? 9. Now N of A intersection B. Count of intersection. Just count. So कौन सा part common है? This part is common. So common elements means intersection. Yes or no? So N of A intersection B. How many elements are there? Only 2. So here only you are getting all the count. Yes or no? No need to do all this thing. Okay? So now verify. 5 plus 6, 11 minus 2 is 9. Yes or no? So A union B is also 9. So 9 is equal to 9. You can verify the formula like this. Okay? So I hope this part is clear to you. You have to by heart this formula, okay students, and you have to study all the chapter very carefully, okay. All the concept should be in your mind, okay, so that any time if I ask you some questions, you will be able to answer that question, okay students. Next lecture we will see some word problems based on this. So how to use this formula, you will get more idea about it, and this is the last part of this chapter, okay students. So we are toward the completion of the chapter 1. So please students, revise all the things from day 1 so that you will get more and more idea about this chapter, and you can finish the chapter very easily, okay students. If any doubt, you can ask me. So in today's lecture I will stop here, and in next lecture we will meet with the new topic. Till then students, bye bye.